Hello, I'm Leon Explores. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my instrument. I'm going to tell you what all of these instruments are. And later we will make our own instruments. That one. This one is called a tambourine. It's a bit like a drum, but we can shake it. These ones are called cymbals, and we can also clap them. Put them on the floor for now. Right there. This one is called a triangle. Do this. We use a stick to hit it. Be careful to not do it onto our hands though. Now I can pick these ones. These ones are called maracas. We shake them both together and they also a rainbow. This one is called a castanet. It has two wooden bricks that hit the middle, but it looks like paint though. This large one is called a guerra. We also do this. We scrape it with a stick. Now it's time to make my instrument. I have this finger box and it has a big hole in it. I actually can fit it in my hand and my other hand. I'm going to use this to make my instrument, but it says crisps. I'm going to slowly put the rice inside here. Put all of it inside. I'm going to use pink glue to cover it. I'm going to cut the top off. I'm going to turn it inside out. Try again, Leon, because you can do this. You can do this. I have these papers. I'm going to put them in the middle. I'm going to put my Pringles socks on top. I'm going to take the papers to the top and I'm going to overlap them a little bit so that they can fit. I'm going to take it and keep it in place. I'm so happy now I got to paint it. I'm using purple now. Whoa! There's so much bread on it. Can you see that, guys? Now I have to leave this to dry. I'm going to use this wooden spoon and fork for my stick for the drum. I'm going to paint these first. Purple for this one. If you don't have a wooden spoon, you can use a Wally stick. Let's do this one. It's going to be purple. Let's get this color and that color. Mix it. Now my instrument is all dry. I decorate it with pipe cleaners and pom-poms. I can scrape it like gold glue or rocks. I can shake it like I'm going out like that. I can beat it like a drum. Now I'm going to make another one. I have this balloon and an empty tub of Nutella. I also have pasta with it. Now let's see, does it sound the same as the one? The pasta sounds louder. Pink and white and purple. Shake! Pink and white and purple. Shake! Pink and white and purple. Pink, purple, pink, purple, white. Pink, purple, pink, purple, white. Pink. Shake pasta! Shake the rice. If you have a bigger tub, you can make a bigger one and put in pasta in it. Bye. I want to see you again next time if you come back. And I also want you to do this. Oh, and don't do the sky.